Yeah.
Hello? Hello?
What is it?
Well, you wanted to talk about the dialogue assignment.
Yeah. Yeah, of course I did.
Well, the assignment's coming up. It's not like we can just put them in groups like we did last semester in class.
No. I know. I've been trying to work out the logistics of this too,
Well, what have you come up with?
I've got a lot on my plate right now.
Well, I was thinking that this whole thing is still a good idea. We just have to come up with something that they can do from home.
You mean like something solo?
Well, I mean,
That seems like it would be hard to do. I mean, to sustain a dialogue between one person?
well, not as hard as you might think. I mean, I was thinking that we could let them explore the realities of this situation that we find ourselves involved in.
What does that mean?
Well, I mean, video conferencing. This is how we're communicating right now. It's not ideal, but it's every bit as complex and meaningful a method of communication as any of the ones that we've relied on in the past. It's full of dialogue, it's full of activity.
But it's like so impersonal.
Well, only if you let it be. I mean, it's still dialogue. Dialogue is full of hidden depths. It has characters, it has tension, it has tactics.
Video conferencing is about trying to figure out how to say something new to a relative when you haven't left the house in 5 days, or trying to look like you're paying attention in a meeting when you're really checking your email.
Well, I mean, sure, it is all of those things, but it's also about talking to loved ones, maintaining relationships, trying to keep our spirits up in the face of difficult circumstances. In other words, it's about the human
This
condition.
sounds like a lot of work.
There is going to be some work involved.
Hey, wait a minute. Didn't we establish that the students can't record on any of these video conferencing softwares we use? How are they supposed to create a scene if they can't record?
Well, yeah, that is awkward. I mean, I suppose there are a couple of ways you could get around something like that. You could use a screen recording program like Screencastify, or you could use screen capture tools like are built into most Macs, or you could download a third-party software like Zoom.
That sounds hard.
Well, or I suppose, barring that, we could just have the students perform their scenes live in class. It would be nice to at least give them the option of pre-recording them, though.
Okay, so they either do the scene live or they figure out some way to pre-record it, either by doing it over video conferencing software, or if they just do it solo by editing it together with them playing both parts.
Now you're getting it.
Fine. If you want to do all that work, go ahead.
Maybe I could put together an example, give them a sense of what it might look like in practice.
Fine. I'm getting back to marking. Show me what you come up with.
Well, have a good rest.
Bye.